Today, the property runway is at Seletar, Yio Chu Kang area. For those of you who love newer private condos, this is one of the newly MOP executive condominium. Welcome to Lush Acres. I'm Diana and today I have for you a 4 bedrooms unit at 1,302 square feet. So where we are located is 6 minutes walk to Seletar Mall and 2 LRTs which links directly to Sengkang MRT. And now let's head to the unit. Now on every level there's only 4 units, which means that you enjoy the privacy with 3 other neighbours. Come follow me. Now this is a corner unit and what's more is on a very high floor. But what we really love is this awesome landscape layout, very rare for a 4 bedroom in Lush Acres, giving you such a sense of spaciousness the moment that you enter the house. Now notice the ample space between the television and the sofa, leaving plenty of room for you to have a 4-seater to 6-seater dining set. So the owner has went for a Scandinavian theme and he has created all these built-in cabinets so that there's plenty of space for storage. Now a small family lives here, hence the space is extremely well maintained and is in pristine condition. I mean, check out the floor as well as the tabletops. Now this layout also comes with a good sized balcony, so you have plenty of room for you to have seats. And what we really like is also these invisible grills that the owners have installed to protect the lives of our young children. Now this apartment overlooks a beautiful green field and was developed by CDL, so it has a great cluster of unique facilities. They have a 100 meters lap pool. Now this is double the Olympic size. There's also a small rock climbing wall for those of my friends who love to climb and jump into the cool waters. And as for avid gardeners, enjoy the lush greenery, lending this EC its name. Of course, we have the usual security, gym, barbecue pits, and many more. And now let's head to the kitchen. This layout is really great because it has an open concept kitchen here, sort of like a dry kitchen, and here we actually have a wet kitchen as well. Attached, we have a little helper's quarters with their own personal bathroom. Alternatively, use this as a dry pantry area for your sun-dries. And now let's head to the resting quarters. Now this is where the flexi room actually opens up to the resting area, and on this side we have 2 common bedrooms facing the greenery. Now at the end of the corridor, we have the master bedroom. What's grand about it is not only just how large it is, but how it's able to fit a queen-size bed, a chest of drawers, a dressing table, and not only that, a walk-in wardrobe towards your bathroom. Now just across from the master bedroom is the kids' playroom. Now this bedroom is a bit special because it is ensuite to the common bathroom, so you have your own space. And what's great about this is that it's huge enough for you to put a queen-size bed while having a perfect wardrobe. Like to make this beautiful Scandinavian home your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!